Do you have ulcer or know anyone that is suffering from gastric ulcer? This message is for you. Please kindly sit down, listen attentively to the end of this video so that you are going to bless someone one day with this information. Listen to me. This gastric ulcer, if you're having this kind of chest pain, you are having ulcer can cause that chest pain. Gastric ulcer can cause waist pain, back pain, a lot of other discomfort that this particular ulcer causes. And do you know that ulcer can still cause miscarriage to some women, all these young mothers? Now listen to me. I have a remedy for you. Now, some causes of ulcer that we are talking about, excessive stomach acid can cause ulcer. Helicobacter pylori can cause ulcer. It's an infection. H. pylori can cause ulcer. Too much use of caffeine can cause ulcer. Painkillers like ibuprofen can cause ulcer. Painkillers without doctor's prescriptions can cause ulcer. Now, I'm going to give you a remedy, but before I give you a remedy, let me quickly tell you the things you need to avoid so that this will work for you. Now, one of the things you need to avoid is spicy food. Spicy food. Another thing you need to avoid is much of alcohol. Another one is too much caffeine. Another one is smoking, tobacco. Another one is painkillers without doctor's prescription. Now I have a remedy for you. Now, 3 things you need to do to bring down and slow the growth of that H. pylori in your body is this. Number 1 is garlic. Garlic. You need to get a garlic because garlic have these antibacterial properties that is able to act and slow down the growth of that Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori. So you need garlic to work on this. Now, how to do it is this. Go and get 1 bulb, 1 clove of garlic. Look at it. This is 1 full clove. Now, when you get 1 full clove, divide it into 3. Pieces it, divide it into 3. If it comes to 5 or 6 pieces, cut it, peel it, and chew that 5 to 6 pieces in the morning. In the noon, you do the next one, and in the evening, you do the final one. So you have to finish 1 clove a day. Now, if you want to grind it and drink, you have to do. But please, garlic is not good on empty stomach. It's after food, please. Because if you have a severe ulcer, it can affect you. But eating that garlic after food, or when you swallow it, you drink enough water, is going to help you and work on that H. pylori as fast as possible because it has antibacterial property. That is number 1 you need to do. Number 2 is cabbage. Cabbage, look at this. This is cabbage. Now, when you get a very big size of cabbage, you are going to use that big size for 3 days. Big size for 3 days. It depends on the size that you get. Now, all you need to do, look at this. This is cabbage now. Now, when you get something like this now, divide it into 6. You divide it into 6. At least this this is my size of hand now. This is my size of hand now. When you get it, cut in pieces and put in your blender. Put 2 cups of water and blend. After grinding, don't sieve it. Divide it into 3. Drink 1 immediately as you blend. Give yourself after 1 hour, you drink the next one. After like 1 hour again or 2 hours, you drink the next one. You can do it 40 minutes. The next thing you will start hearing, the next one you mess, all the gas, all those stomach gastrointestinal issues, it will start burning them down. That is one of the things you will be doing. Now, as you are doing the cabbage one, you are still doing the garlic for that 5 to 6 days, and you come and testify. Lastly, another pattern to do it is akamu, or you call it ogi. Some people call it ogi, some people call it akamu in Igbo land, Nigeria, and we call it pap. Pap, look at it. It's a fermented corn that you will use to make pap. Now, when you get this, the 50 naira size or the 100 naira size, just 1, divide that 1 into 2. Take a little water and mix it. When you mix it, don't put hot water. Just mix it with cold water, a little water, to be like thick milk. You now drink without sugar, without milk, without just drink it natural. Then in the evening, do another. You can do 100 naira on in the morning, 100 naira on in the evening. Do it for 4 to 5 days, and you come and testify as you do the garlic. As you do the garlic, you do either pap or cabbage. Please, all you need to do for me is this. Touch your share button. Share this message to your parents, to friends and families, to your WhatsApp group, so that people, others can start learning directly from your herbal remedy chief. Please share this video. I love you.